Hey guys, welcome back. Another cooking video recipe for today. It's some jack mackerel with ackee and caramel dumpling cassava, cooked cassava, guys. It's a recipe I got eatable, tastable, delicious. Please watch the video to the end. Remember to like and share. So I'm starting by washing my cassava them and think. I don't know where I remove the dirt because them excess dirt upon them and thing, guys. By wash off them on the running water and thing. You can see. I have to get them clean, guys. So you know me have three small cassava, one big, one little. Me have a big one a big like that tree root, right? But you know say cassava are nice food, a strong food. Most people take it make bami. You know say them food are some 100 and 200 year old food back in the days. Ancient years food, guys. So me I bring back to old school. So guys, my cassava wash off and peel I bust them. So me add them at the cold water. Because I want them still at the cold water. You get a well nutriment out of nutriment. So I have some mixed flour right there. I have some ackee, you can see also. I can see the mackerel over there and the spices them. So I'm starting by kneading my flour and put some salt in it. Never show no. So I'm going to add some water. This way I need my flour. Right? Now I'm a dumpling, caramel dumpling, guys. So I'm starting by wash up and spice them and thing. So I cut up my onion and pepper. You can see scallion, so then cut up and thing there also. Ackee and things, so I'm going to add in some boiling water. See, don't need up and thing, guys. See the mackerel, so I'm showing the recipe. So you know, so the water start boiling and thing now. So I'm going to add the dumpling them to it. To the ackee pot, guys. So you can see, starting by wash off ackee. I don't know, everybody cook different, but me, I wash my recipe first. So you know, so I'm going to put on the pot and things. See the water boil. Please make your water boil first. You can add some salt to it and a pepper also to taste and flavor. So see the dumpling in the pot and the cassava them I cooked before. So I'm going to stir up the pot. Please remember to stir the dumpling. Don't make them itch up. If you don't stir it, them I go itch. So my vegetable cut up and thing there. Well spice up and cut up garlic, pepper, onion, scallion. And so I'm add some oil to my pot. So make that go on hot. So I'm showing you step by step, guys. Right? Please watch the video to the end. Like and share. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, guys. So I stir my pot and think I don't want my dumpling mix up and see my ackee well strain off and thing there. The spice them cut up and see mackerel you can see also. So you know say mackerel my last name, jack mackerel. Right, it's a recipe are eatable, tastable, delicious, finger licking, guys. Please remember to watch the video to the end. Remember to like and share. Right now I'm hungry, I'm not telling like, guys. So you know some highlight and things, I'm add them to the pot. Please make it add that first. So I'm starting by stirring up the vegetable and things again for the whole of the spice, garlic, pepper, onion, scallion, and it has time to taste and flavor. Also, I cut up my pepper, them wholly seed, everything, and more mackerel for tastable and flavor. Yes, guys. So I have some ketchup right there, and I really enough, so I show you. The ketchup buckle done, so nobody blame me. I say it go. Yeah. So you know, say tomato, I just say ketchup. So now I'm going to put in the mackerel and thing, guys. So I'm going to open it out and take out the middle. I have a bone inside of it. I'm going to remove it, guys. So I'm going to split the mackerel and thing there. So I remove the bone and thing there, guys. And everybody like it that way, but you don't know, we have to show them the original and the real way. So guys, you know, so I start mash up mackerel and thing now. I can mash it up, guys. You see how me want it. So I want them more smaller. So I go on myself and mash it out how me want it, mash it out how me like it. So you can cook it and eat it all the same, because I don't know. So the ackee want the presentation and fit in the ackee, so I have mashed out that way, guys. And things. So you know, so the mackerel will spice up and things, so make it go on some ketchup and thing in it. Here to taste and flavor. Which one I can use tomato, but right now I have the ketchup, so I use what I have. So the ketchup done, so I just throw it in the pot and know the taste and flavor. I'm starting to add my ackee and thing to my recipe. So you know, so it's a jack mackerel and ackee are nice, guys. It's a recipe are eatable, tastable. You can see the quality, you can see the presentation of the recipe, guys. What I say? Yes, so you know, so I got add a pinch of black pepper, not really enough, you know, because I don't cook with black pepper. So I want to pinch for presentation. You can see it on it? Yes, guys. So I'm starting by shake it in and think. Guys, so you know, so right now, that one simmer down. So see dumpling, cook cassava and thing there, so I stir them up. The recipe is soon ready and think. You can see, say the dumpling them ready and the cassava cook also soft. So you know, some ackee and my jack mackerel ready. You can see presentation of the cassava, the dumpling, ackee with saltfish. You can see all of the spice, them onion and the pepper. Right now they are hungry, so please like and share. Remember to subscribe.